Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about angle modulation. Angle modulation is the process the frequency or the phase of the carrier signal is varied according to the input signal or message signal. So the message signal is also called as modulating signal. The angle modulation can be divided into two types. One is frequency modulation, another one is phase modulation. So now we see about frequency modulation. So frequency modulation means the process of carrier signal frequency is varied according to the message signal. So that means the frequency of the carrier signal is varied according to the modulating signal or input signal by keeping the amplitude is constant. So that is called frequency modulation. So this is waveform of frequency modulation techniques. The first signal is carrier signal. The second signal is modulating signal. So the carrier signal is a high frequency signal, modulating signal is low frequency signal. So the high frequency carrier is varied according to the input signal, so that is modulating signal. So we get the frequency modulated signal. So the third waveform is frequency modulated signal. So the frequency variation means either low frequency or high frequency. So that is called frequency modulation. The main advantages of frequency modulation is the frequency modulation has more noise resistivity when compared to other modulation techniques. So that's why they are mainly used in broadcasting and radio communications. And we are all well aware that radio communication use mainly frequency modulation for transmission. We know that noise will occur mainly to the amplitude of the signal. So in frequency modulation, the amplitude is made constant and only the frequency is varied. So we can easily find out the noise in the amplitude by using limiter. The frequency modulation is having greater resistance to rapid signal strength variation. So which we will use in FM radios even while we are traveling, and frequency modulation is also mainly used in mobile communication purposes. So the another advantages is for transmitting messages in frequency modulation, it does not require special equipments like linear amplifiers or repeaters, and transmission levels are higher when compared to other modulation techniques. So then the transmission rate is good for frequency modulation when compared to other modulation. So this is one of the advantage. Then frequency modulation has a special effect called capture effect, in which the high frequency signal will capture the channel and discard the low frequency or weak signals from interference. So these are the advantages of frequency modulation. So the disadvantage is in the transmission section we don't need any special equipment, but in the reception we need more complicated demodulators for demodulating the carrier signal from message or modulating signal. To limit the bandwidth in the frequency modulation, we use some filter which will again introduce some distortions in the signal. So these are the disadvantages of frequency modulation. Then the applications of frequency modulation is the frequency modulation is used in radios, which is very common in our day life. And the another application is the frequency modulation is used in audio frequencies to synthesize a sound. So then used in magnetic tape storage for recording the video signals by VCR systems. Frequency modulation is used for intermediate frequencies. So these are the applications of frequency modulation. Next, the another type of angle modulation technique is phase modulation. So the phase modulation means the phase of the carrier signal is varied according to the modulating signal by keeping the frequency constant. So that is called phase modulation. So this is waveform of phase modulation techniques. Then advantages and disadvantages of phase modulation techniques are, so the first see about advantages of phase modulation. The main advantage of phase modulation is that it has less interference from static, which is why we use this type of modulation in finding out the speed or velocity of a moving object. The main advantage is in frequency modulation we cannot find out the velocity of moving object. So this is main advantages of phase modulation techniques. Then applications of phase modulation is the phase modulation application is not different from frequency modulation. The phase modulation is also used in communication systems, and it can be used in binary phase shift keying. So these are the applications of phase modulation techniques. Thank you.